Hello children, this is Shruti, your social science teacher from Pramati Hillview Academy. Welcome back to your geography class. In our previous class, we have learnt about mineral based industries, the sixth topic below the concept of manufacturing industries. Isn't it children? In today's class, let us learn about few industries below the concept of manufacturing industries. The industries which we are going to learn in today's class below the concept of manufacturing industries are chemical industries, fertilizer industry, automobile industry, information technology that is IT, and electronics industry. Come children, let us learn the above said industries one by one in detail. Now, let us begin with chemical industries. Chemical industries. This industry contributes 3% to India's GDP. It is the third largest in Asia and occupies the 12th place in the world in terms of its size. It comprises both large and small scale manufacturing units. Basic chemicals undergo processing to further produce other chemicals that are used for industrial application, agriculture, or directly for consumer markets. Thus, the chemical industry is its own largest consumer and is fast growing and diversifying. Rapid growth has been recorded in both inorganic and organic sectors. Inorganic and organic chemical. Inorganic chemicals include sulphuric acid used to manufacture fertilizers, synthetic fibres, plastics, adhesives, paints, dyestuffs, nitric acid, alkalies, and soda ash used to make glass, soaps, and detergents, paper, and caustic soda. These industries are widely spread over the country. Organic chemicals include petrochemicals, which are used for manufacturing of synthetic fibers, synthetic rubber, plastics, dyestuffs, drugs, and pharmaceuticals. Organic chemical plants are located near oil refineries or petrochemical plants. Now, let us learn about fertilizer industry. Fertilizer industry. This industry mostly manufactures nitrogenous fertilizers, mainly urea, phosphatic fertilizers, diammonium phosphate that is DAP, and other complex fertilizers which have a combination of NPK that is nitrogen, phosphate and potash. India does not have any reserve of commercially usable potash and hence it is fully dependent on its import. India is the third largest producer of nitrogenous fertilizers. At present, there are 10 fertilizer public sector undertakings and 1 in cooperative sector at Hazira in Gujarat under the Fertilizer Corporation of India. Here, cooperative sector means a sector of industry in which a group of people pool together their resources for carrying out the given activity, in this case manufacturing, with the purpose of achieving or securing certain benefits or advantages which the people could not achieve individually. After the Green Revolution, the industry expanded to several other parts of the country. Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Kerala contribute towards half the fertilizer production. Other significant producers are Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Bihar, Maharashtra, Assam, West Bengal, Goa, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. There are 57 fertilizers units manufacturing nitrogenous and complex nitrogenous fertilizers, 29 for producing urea and 9 for producing ammonium sulphate as a byproduct. 68 small units produce single superphosphate. Now, let us move on to discuss about automobile industry. Automobile industry. Trucks, buses, cars, motorcycles, scooters, three-wheelers and multi-utility vehicles are manufactured in India at various centers. The industry is located around Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Delhi and Bengaluru. Now let us see emerging trends in automobile industry. After liberalization, new and contemporary models increased the demand for vehicles in the market, which led to the healthy growth of the industry, including passenger cars, two and three-wheelers. The sector had experienced a quantum jump in less than 15 years. Foreign direct investment, that is FDI, brought in new technology and aligned the industry with global developments. At present, there are 15 manufacturers of passenger cars and multi-utility vehicles, 9 of commercial vehicles, 14 of the two and three wheelers. Automobile industry is an example of heavy industry. Now it's time to learn and understand about information technology, that is IT and electronics industry. The electronics industry covers a wide range of products from transistor sets to televisions, telephones, cell phones, telephone exchanges, radars, computers and other equipment required by the telecommunication and computer industry. Bengaluru has emerged as the electronic capital of India. Other important centers for electronic goods are Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow and Coimbatore. Software Technology Parks of India. By 2010-11, Software Technology Parks of India, that is STPI, have come up across 46 locations at different centers of India. It is an autonomous society set up in 1991 with an objective of promoting software exports from the country. 18 software technology parks provide single window service and high data communication facility for software exports. Employment generation by IT industry. A major impact of this industry has been in employment generation, with over 30% of the employees being women. This industry has been a major foreign exchange earner in the last 2 or 3 years because of its fast growing business processes outsourcing, that is BPO sector. The continuing growth in the hardware and software is the key to success of IT industry in India. So in today's session, children, we have learnt about chemical industries, fertilizer industry, automobile industry, information technology, that is IT, and electronics industry below the concept of manufacturing industries. To recapitulate, children, chemical industries. This industry contributes 3% to India's GDP. It is the third largest in Asia and occupies the 12th place in the world in terms of its size. Inorganic chemicals include sulphuric acid, nitric acid, alkalies, and soda ash and caustic soda. Organic chemicals include petrochemicals, which are used for manufacturing of synthetic fibers, synthetic rubber, plastics, dyestuffs, drugs, and pharmaceuticals. Fertilizer industry. This industry mostly manufactures nitrogenous fertilizers, phosphatic fertilizers, diammonium phosphate, and other complex fertilizers which have a combination of NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphate, and potash. India is the third largest producer of nitrogenous fertilizers. Automobile industry is an example of heavy industry. After liberalization, new and contemporary models increased the demand for vehicles in the market, which led to the healthy growth of the industry, including passenger cars, two and three wheelers. Bengaluru has emerged as the electronic capital of India. The continuing growth in the hardware and software is the key to success of IT industry in India. I hope all of you have understood the concept, children. Meet you in the next class. Take care and thank you, children.